Huawei has today launched the Huawei Nova 4 in China. The Huawei Nova 4 is priced at 3099 Yuan, that is approximately equal to 33,000 Indian rupees, while the Nova 4 with a 48 megapixel sensor is priced at 3399 Yuan, that is again approximately equal to 36,000 Indian rupees. The main USP of the smartphone is the in-display camera hole on the top left corner, which we first saw on the Galaxy A8s. So hey folks, this is Samir and here is everything you need to know about the Nova 4. Excited? So let's get started. The Huawei Nova 4 sports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus curved glass display with 96% NTSC color gamut. It gets dual SIM technology and runs on EMUI 9.0.1 based on Android 9.0 Pie. Powering the phone is the octa-core Huawei Kirin 970 10nm processor with Mali-G72 GPU, i7 coprocessor, NPU and GPU turbo, along with 8GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage. For optics, the camera comes in two variants that include a triple rear camera setup at the back with 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 primary sensor and a 20 megapixel primary sensor. Other than primary sensor, the phone comes with a 16 megapixel 117-degree ultra-wide-angle camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2 megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture, backed with a single LED flash. The company claims that the phone will comes with EIS, AI Beauty, 4K video support, PDAF and contrast focus on the rear camera. Towards the front is a 25 megapixel front camera with f2.0 aperture with EIS functionality placed in the display hole. For connectivity, the phone comes with 4G VoLTE, Bluetooth 4.2, Wi-Fi, USB Type-C version 2, GPS and 3.5mm headphone jack. It houses a 3750 mAh battery that comes with fast charging. The Huawei Nova 4 is priced at 36,000 Indian rupees for the 48 megapixel rear camera version and 33,000 Indian rupees for the 20 megapixel version. Both the variants are up for pre-orders via Huawei's Vmall e-commerce site and will be going on sale on 27th December. The phone will be available in color options of blue, black, red and white. So guys, what do you think about this smartphone? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off and I'll see you guys in my next one.